Working together means working efficiently. And a Lennox home comfort system may just be the perfect example. Its air conditioner works together with the furnace. And that works together with the air purifier. And that works with you by saving you up to half off your heating and cooling bill. Lennox. Innovation never felt so good.
It can deliver better returns than many long-term investments and dramatically lower your electricity bills right now. It can protect you from rising energy costs and reap the same benefits as planting thousands of trees. It's your home, using clean, renewable solar energy. Each hour, enough sunlight reaches the Earth to power the world for a year. It's time to put it to work with Solar World, the people who've been manufacturing solar right here in America for over 35 years. With the capacity to produce a solar panel every 15 seconds, Solar World is the largest U.S. manufacturer. Imagine lower energy bills simply by harnessing the sun. Imagine a better world for your family and future generations. It all starts at home with Solar World.
The sun has always powered life. And now it powers our latest innovation to heat and cool your home more efficiently. Introducing the world's only solar-powered home energy system, which saves you up to half off your heating and cooling bill. Lennox. Innovation never felt so good. Everything that goes into a Lennox system is engineered for absolute comfort. Like the parts that create your perfect temperature and humidity, or the parts that purify the air. Together, all these parts save you up to half off your heating and cooling bills. And there are few things more comforting than that. Lennox. Innovation never felt so good.